Hi, my name is Corey Darling. I'm the instructor for the heating and air conditioning class here at A31 Career Center. I have over 30 years of experience in the plumbing and HVAC industry, which I bring to the classroom. As for my experience in the industry, I've completed a plumbing apprenticeship and hold a current Indiana State Journeyman's Plumber's License. I also worked for the Carrier Corporation for 23 years in the residential and light commercial engineering facility here in Indianapolis. The name of the program is a little misleading, and I wish they would call this class mechanical skills rather than heating and air. The reason why in this class, sure, you're going to learn about heating and air, but we also learn about safety, power and hand tools, pipe fitting, electricity, heating fundamentals, sheet metal, and air conditioning. So there's several directions you can go after graduation. In this class, you can earn 12 dual credits with Hvac. We offer introduction to HVAC, basic electricity, heating fundamentals, and refrigeration 1. These dual credits can be applied to an associate's degree or a technical certificate with Hvac after you graduate. I'm often asked if you will be certified after you take this class, and the answer is no. You will, however, have the opportunity to earn industry certifications such as the EPA certification for handling refrigerants and other certifications. Really, to become a certified technician, you need at least 5 years of experience in the field, earn more certifications, but we can give you a good foundation to becoming a certified technician. For those of you that do not think that college is right for you, I offer you an alternative. The HVAC industry is interested in motivated individuals who like to work with their hands and their minds and have a willingness to learn and grow. If you have these traits, you may want to consider the HVAC industry or the skilled trades. If you have any further questions, please join my virtual meeting or send me an email. My email address is on the Area 31 Career Center website. Thank you.